Hello everyone. I'm gonna do a little tutorial on the cookie problem that has been plaguing D&D Beyond for several years. Not everyone experiences it. I don't know if it is where people set up their settings and their cookies the same way, but there was a fix that was proposed by Jay, I forget the name now, a couple of years ago that worked wonders. It really did, because we found the source of the problem, and we've posted multiple threads, multiple comments on the threads on the D&D Beyond forums about, what's the cause of this problem? Please, someone fix it, and no one bothered to do that. So someone figured out a way around it. Basically, you have to delete a portion of the site cookie from D&D Beyond. Now, recently, within the last month or so, Google Chrome and the Chrome Web Store delisted the extension that everyone had used, EditThisCookie. Something about the author didn't sign the privacy agreement where it won't collect data and stuff like that. Basically, it looks like the author abandoned that project. Well, he didn't really abandon it, and I found out this afternoon that he basically created a new version and didn't bother to update the old one. And now that it's been delisted, I can't even look back and see. It's like, oh, go download this one as a new one. So, but it took me all afternoon to figure this out. And so this is basically what we're getting. I'm on a campaign page. A couple of people's profile user pictures, character portraits are showing up. But then you see Alt Korok Green Needle, copy of Korok Green Needle, copy of Rathma Redux, copy of Namir, Greenwich, Nigeria. These people, their pictures are not showing up. And you can see that when you go into the dev tool. I'm going to put that there. Several of these are getting 400 bad requests. 400 bad requests. You go to open this, you're getting your request header section exceeds the maximum allowed size, 892. Well, we found this, and I've got a different extension cookie editor that shows all of the different D&D Beyond website cookies. And I'm going to search for the one that we had found causes the biggest issue. The ratings. Name is ratings. Here's the value. I'm going to copy this value. And we're going to go into Notepad. Where that? And this is the value of that section, that portion of the cookie. The ratings cookie is, for me, this is mine, that long. I mean, that is 3,930 characters just from this one cookie. That it looks like hex code, and someone figured out in one of the other things that it equates to dates, and there's nothing that we can do about it. If you go into the D&D Beyond forums and you go to any thread, and basically I think it has to do with the upvote and the ratings here, it'll load that cookie. You can clear your cookies, clear everything, log back in, never go to the forums, and you will never have this problem. It also shows up, this little upvote thing also shows up on Homebrew. So if you view the description page of any community homebrew, any published community homebrew that has this upvote button, you will get that ratings cookie. Now, if you clear your cookies, every time that you log out, every time you close your browser, every day that you have your computer on or turn it on, it's like, I'm going to delete all the cookies. Then you're probably never going to have this issue. And in fact, I fixed this issue a couple of hours ago. And it took me looking around, reloading in, resetting a few things to even get to a page that had multiple error messages. So I can use this as an example of what is the problem. And the problem is, I closed that notepad. The problem is that cookie right there. So what do we need to do? Let's get rid of this. We're going to go to Manage Extensions. We're going to go to the store. And we're going to get Edit This Cookie. And I'm going to pick version 3 because apparently this is the newest one. And we're going to add to Chrome. Add extension. So, yep. We're added it to Chrome. So back over here, I'm going to refresh the page for the heck of it. These 400s are still here. All right. Edit this cookie. See, Cookie Editor, it's useful in the fact that it shows you the cookie, but it doesn't let you can edit it, you can copy it, or you can delete it. But I haven't found any other function in here that does anything else. You can add, share, import, export, copy, clear all. I haven't found anything else in this extension, Cookie Editor, that does what we need it to do. We do have it in Edit This Cookie. Now you can go through all of these different portions of the cookie, but what we want to do is we want to go down here to ratings, and we see it has that big long string in there. And simply because I went to the forum, looked at a thread, and there was the little upvote, didn't even bother clicking on it. If it loads it, you got it. It's like a disease. It's a virus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to block it. Block by domain, dndbeyond.com. Block by name, ratings. I don't care about the value because your value is going to be different than mine. My value might change. Who knows? Add this rule. So now the ratings cookie is gone. Just completely gone. So I'm going to reload this web page. And go away. And we're going to empty cache and hard reload it. No error messages. There's that picture. There's all those other pictures. All those other pictures. All those other pictures. All of the pictures loaded. Why? Because that ratings value is gone. You can look in the cookie editor that showed it, but didn't display it. Didn't let you set a rule. It's not there. Rating is not there. It's gone. The cookie editor, or Edit This Cookie, v3, you set the rule, and here, we go options, blocked cookies, Dndbeyond, ratings, any is a blocked cookie. And this problem goes away. The result of this problem is not only do pictures not load, there's a very good chance that PDFs don't load. In fact, I had that earlier today where I tried to save a PDF of my character that just leveled up, and it kept giving me an XML error. And I'm like, oh, that's why I really devoted myself this afternoon to solving this issue and finding this extension that is basically an update of the previous one that everyone had used. And Edit This Cookie. It's just the original author let the original version expire, get delisted, and it just lost it for everybody. So I'm really hoping that by showing you this, everyone will go and get this cookie, this extension, Edit This Cookie v3, add that rule, Dndbeyond, ratings, any in the blocked cookie screen, do a hard refresh. Now you got to have the dev tool open to get the empty cache and hard reload. So I encourage that, or just empty your cache and do a hard reload, or just clear everything out, do a reload. I mean, whatever it takes, and hopefully we can all convince Dndbeyond, hey, your forum system is causing site-wide problems. Because like I said, it not only it messes with portraits, and it messes with PDF downloads of the character sheets. I have seen this problem get so bad that the rich text editor boxes that you type comments to threads in, comments to the rich text editor in Homebrew, where you're filling out the description, like the description text of a Homebrew item, of a Homebrew subrace, those won't load. The rich text editor where you want to make a forum post will not load if it is giving these kind of cookie editors. That is how bad it was. And I saw that several years ago. Obviously, EditThisCookie extension fixed that problem for me, and I've gone several years without having to deal with it until the last couple of weeks. And the only reason I had to deal with it in the last couple of weeks is because the extension I had been relying on got delisted. But this video hopefully will help people get to the correct version, because I actually tested 5 or 6 different extensions until I found this one. Refound it, found the new version, and none of them had set a rule. There was one, and I forget it now because I've kind of dismissed it, that had some memory problems and was slowing your computer down. But I'm really glad that I found this one because I have no problems with it at all. It does not slow down your computer. It does not impede anything on your computer. And you use it, you set it up to block that cookie, and your problems are gone, just completely gone. And I really do hope that the people at Dndbeyond see this and realize, oh, our cookie is messed up because of the upvote function of our forum threads. But that'll never happen. But good luck to everybody, and yeah, have a good day.